Hello, welcome to a little video clip of this Dragon Touch GPS drone. It's I'd say 240, 250 grams, that sort of area. I don't think it's a licensed job. As you can see, the camera's working fine on the phone there. So there's an app, it's VS GPS, easily downloadable. You can see the height changing as I move the drone up and down, so I'm just moving it by hand at the moment. And the camera's not got any stabilization, so it's not the best footage from the camera, but it's much better than some of the low-grade drones. The controller, there's batteries in the controller there, not new, but they're showing plenty of voltage, so they should keep you going for a while. 7.4 volts on the batteries, two of those, the charging cable, a little instruction pack and all the rest of it. So anyway, we can turn the GPS off if we want to fly it without GPS. We've got buttons for auto land, which works fine, headless mode, calibration, and I'm not sure what that button does there. A couple of buttons at the top. That's speed. Don't know what that one does at the moment. But the instructions are on Dragon's website with the PDF documents, dead easy to find. So let's get on and fly it. So we won't bother putting the controller on the little plinth, because, sorry, the phone on the little plinth, because my phone's quite big and it does tend to fall out, but it is one of these sort of jobbies. You can see it's just about on the maximum. There's no groove there on there, so it suits a slightly smaller phone. Right, let's have a go. So basically, pull those two buttons, control sticks, down to the right hand side bottom corners, or left hand side bottom corner on that one. That fires the drone up. All the motors sound fine. Let's just take her up. So there we go. So this is in GPS mode, and it's not got undercarriage side cameras, but that's a relatively stable hover there. Not bad at all. Bit of drift in it. Let's just move it over to the right. I am actually close to the building here, so it might not be that great, but yeah, I mean, that's a good hover. It's moving up and down slightly just due to the fact it works on barometer rather than photographic footage from the floor, but yeah, let's go up and forward, and when you let your hands off the sticks, they it just stops. Let's go up a bit, leave it there, and then that's our footage on the phone. So I just move it round, you can see the footage. So fully working. Batteries are 7.4 volts, so it's got a bit of go in it, you know, in terms of power. And the camera you can just move on your own, but a bit better than having no GPS. There's a big plane up there, you might be able to see it just in the background. There's the footage over there. I'll just turn around slowly. So unlike a DJI Mini 2 or something like that, I mean, the GPS isn't absolutely stable. Maybe the blades are just trimming it. Actually, I didn't do the calibration, so I may try that. So anyway, there we go. I'll leave it like that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.